Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the iPhone 17 Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you open the box you will find here the cable, and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just flip the wings a bit to release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use always, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. And if you're having your phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. On the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. By the way, you don't find a SIM tray if you're having the US version, because at the US iPhones you will have no SIM slot. It's only with an eSIM. Okay, let's come back again here to the SIM tray. You're able to insert a nano SIM card here. You place it like this here. So this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.